just 2 nights.
Just two nights.
We made it to Singapore. We arrived at the Marina Bay Sands and now off to the rooftop pool. This pool is just unreal. Unreal. Like, I can't believe we're swimming so high up. I can't even put it into words. It's so crazy. It's so crazy how high up we are. That pool was insane, but they also have what? A hot tub. This is so crazy. Just enjoying the hot tub. This is so cool. You can actually see gardens by the bay. There it is. Welcome to our room. Welcome to our room at the Marina Bay Sands. Here is a quick room tour. We have a wonderful, luxurious bathtub. We've got some, what's this, loofah? Another loofah. Bath salts. Super fancy soap. 2 sinks, mouthwash. What is this? Ooh, body milk. I'm not even really sure what that is. Lotion? Smells like lotion. Powder. Ooh, so fancy. Toothpaste. Is this the shower? I think this is the shower. Come on into the shower. Oh, no, this is the bathroom. That is the bathroom. Whoa, look at how big this is. I think like 8 people could fit in this bath, this shower. We got shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Ooh, this is so amazing. So fancy. And we have like a nice table, which is all of our gear. And then let's see. We've got espresso, fancy espresso machine that I don't know how to use. Cute little espresso cup. Water. And I think this is the mini bar. Look how much space. I think I can do a cartwheel in here. There's so much space. Ready? Ready? Oh! That was terrible. Wait, I need to do that again. My toes weren't even pointed. Yeah, maybe that was a little bit better. I'm a little rusty. All right, and then the luxurious, king size bed, and a so cute little elephant, animal towel, a little sitting area. And you can't beat this view. Okay, I almost forgot one of the coolest features of the bathroom. That is so fancy! Oh my gosh, it's so cool. and try to get some cash, which that could be a little bit tricky. Oh, excuse us, sorry. Number 2, find a cheap massage place. And number 3, get something to eat. Or maybe get something to eat before we get a massage. TBD. You're a little big for that table. I need to know your thoughts. I need to know your thoughts on that massage today.
That was good. I did not. I mean, I got destroyed the first 5 minutes, but after that, she calmed down.
It was so intense.
So
now, off to the pool. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Beet salad, cream spinach, eggplant parm. Oh yeah. All right, we are sadly leaving the Marina Bay Sands, but overall, I think we really enjoyed our time here. We spent 2 nights total and about 3 days, and I think that was plenty. I think 2 days was good. And the main attraction obviously is the infinity pool, and we felt like the best times to go was like really early in the morning, like 6 a.m. right when it opens. We did have the club level room, which I think was nicer than just the regular rooms, and then we had access to Club 55, so we were able to have breakfast, we could have tea, and then they had just like some light snacks, and then at 5 o'clock from 5 to 7 you can have it's like an unlimited happy hour, so they had champagne, wine, beer, cocktails, and then just like some light appetizers. But overall, really nice experience. I would say the service is like exceptional. The people are just so nice and so friendly, and they bend over backwards to do whatever you ask of them. So would definitely recommend it.